So how do you edit the note name on your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new onto this channel, make sure you subscribe to the Foxtecc tutorials because I have so many videos coming up and I just don't want you to miss them. Well, whenever you go to your Notes app on the iPad, just make the left panel slide out where you can browse all of your notes, right? And obviously you have some titles on them and everything, right? So you might just try to hold down on it and rename it, but the Notes app doesn't really work that way because the name of the note is basically the title, right? So you have to tap on the note and you have one heading at the top. And when you change and edit that, it is going to be the name of the actual note, right? So when I type in an example or something or whatever, you can see that this is the actual note name, right? So you don't change it by holding down and editing it, but it's literally the first text, right? So even if you don't have the title, the first body text will be the thing, like the name of your note. So that's kind of how it works in the iPad Note application. Of course, there are some other note-taking apps available, like OneNote or, the Good Notes and all of that kind of stuff. And in those apps, I guess it kind of works similar, right? You also have the ability to change the title, and this is going to be the name of the note. But yeah, if you have any specific questions, leave them below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about that because I make a lot of tutorials, so just don't miss them by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.